be teaching you about how to save using the Piggyvest app. How you can actually save your money, withdraw your money, whether you want to keep a bulk amount of money somewhere that you don't want to use and you don't trust the banks, maybe because they are deducting charges here and there, and before you know it, the money is not the actual sum you kept in the account, or because you don't trust the person that you feel can keep it for you. Piggyvest is a trustworthy and reliable app. I have used them over the years, that you can save money through them. So you can actually save either in bits, or you save a lump sum. So if you're saving in bits, you can save 5,000, 10,000, 200 naira, 300 naira, whether it is daily or on a weekly basis. And you can also withdraw your money as at when you need it, without having to go to anywhere before you can withdraw your money. So you can withdraw your money directly from your Piggyvest account to your bank account, then you go to your ATM, or you go inside the bank depending on how much you're withdrawing, and you withdraw it out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Google Play Store. You want to go and download the app Piggyvest. So you come to Google Play Store, you type Piggyvest, and you search for it. So because I already have it on my phone, it is here. So it is here already. All right, so the next thing you want to do is this: you want to open the app. So once you open it, it's telling us to register or log in. So I want to register now. So all right, so we have full name. You want to put your full name. You want to put your email address or email address. You want to put your phone number. You want to put a password for this. So let me just create a password for this. So we have it. And if you have a promo code, I can use the promo code. I have a promo code, which is this. So I can use this promo code if you have this. When you use promo code, the person who referred you gets 1,000. You also get 1,000. So how did you hear about us? It is optional if you want. If you don't want, you can add maybe Facebook, Instagram, depending on who introduced you. Then you create your account. You create your account. So it's saying invalid promo code. All right, so it's optional. Let's remove this. So let's go direct. So at times you can actually do this through a link. If you have an invite link, you can register. So that is done, successfully registered. So let's get started. So this is it. This is where you have your total savings. It is zero. Have your total investment. Flex dollar. This is the dollar account. Flex naira. You have link abeg account. So we want to go to set up. So let's complete our setup. Click on complete our setup. So come to verify your email address. You want to send us a verification link. So send, and we'll go to send verification. So they just sent a verification link. Let's go check the verification link. So I want to check the verification link to see if it is there. So we have our verification link here waiting for us in the email. So just click to verify. So you click on the link sent, you verified, and that is all. Awesome, awesome. So let's go to dashboard. So we move to our dashboard. So we want to secure our login. So email, it's asking us for the email account again. Okay, gmail.com. So we have our password. All right, so want to secure our login. Yes, you can save your password. You may decide not to save it. It depends on you. So yes, so we are coming here to log in fully. All right, so okay, so we have logged in, we have logged in, we have logged in. So we are back to our dashboard. We're back to our dashboard. So it's asking you to add your BVN or NIN. Please do this. It's safe. You can add your BVN to this. You can use your NIN. So let's move. So secure a valid debit card. So here you want to confirm and add your debit card. You want to add your debit card details. Why are you adding your debit card details? You may want to ask me. When you add your debit card details, it becomes easy for you to pay in money into this account. So you pay in your money directly to just debit you. If you say, okay, you want to do a direct debit, it debits you directly. So here, when you put in your card number, the expiry, your CVV, it debits you 100 naira just to confirm that your card is okay. Just to confirm that your card is okay. So you can also set a security question. So you can set a security questions that is personal to you. You set the answer. So you generate OTP. So let's do this. So security question is favorite food. Let's say favorite food. So favorite food answer is rice and beans, let's say. So let's generate OTP to set this up. So OTP has been sent. Okay. So let's wait for the OTP to come in. So the OTP is 239727. 239727. So we have 239727. So that's the OTP. So we have, let's put our security questions back again. And this is it. So let's put our password. So our password, and we have it. All right. So this is it for the dashboard. So we have done that. Never save. I don't want to save this. So if you want to refer your friends, just come here, refer your friend. You see, for every referral that you make, you get 1,000 naira. For every referral that you make, you get 1,000 naira per referral. So this is how to do it. This is how to do it. So let's move to savings. So if you have saved, you have 100 naira here, and this is it. So invest. Let's look at this investment. You can start investing. You have all this here. Then you have my accounts. My accounts. So you have, this is your account. You want to look through your accounts. You want to look through all your accounts and everything. So you want to look through your account. This is your account. So this is it. This is it. Your accounts, your BVN. We have done all this. Your account settings. You want to look at your account settings. This is your profile setting. So let's look at your profile. This is your profile, which is okay. So if you want to update your security questions, next of kin, interest, password setting, VPN, and you are through. This is how to set up your Piggyvest account. This is how to set up your Piggyvest account. You can also go to the accounts here. So invest. This is it. So you can just go through all this, explore it, see what it is about. You can explore and see what this is all about. So can also come and tap here where we have quick save up here. So quick save, click on quick save. You can quickly save 5,000, save 10,000. Once you click on 5,000, okay, say 2,000, choose a destination. You can choose where you actually want this to go. So your piggy bank or your Piggyvest. So piggy bank, then you proceed. So you can see, if you have added your card, you just click on use your card, and immediately you confirm. That is all. So that is all, because we did not add card. That is why it is like this. So this is how to set up your Piggyvest account. This is how you set up your Piggyvest account. So it's as simple as ABC. It's as simple as ABC. So you want to do this, you want to start saving money into your accounts gradually, maybe for an occasion, for an investment, for whatever it is that you need money for. It allows you to save, and you can also withdraw it as at when you need it. If you have loved watching this, if you have gotten value, please kindly like this page, kindly like my channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.